I love the slowness and the rhythm of the process. I love the fact that I grow most of the materials, so there's a connection there with the land and with the rhythm of the seasons. That's really important to me. We harvest the willow every January, and that's done with the help of lots of friends and students and family. And it's a really amazing time for us all coming together in the darkest depths of January. It's a very happy time. Once we've harvested the willow, it dries for several months. And then before I make each basket, I select exactly what I need and soak it. I soak it for a day per foot of willow, so if it's 5 foot long, I soak it for 5 days. And then it's beautiful and pliable and ready to use. I love it when I finally get to sit down after all the preparation is done, and I suppose I'm in my own bubble in this flow of weaving. My work is really rooted in traditional craft, although quite a lot of the work I'll do will be seen as being contemporary. But the bottom line is that every piece of work is rooted in an ancient craft that have been done by humans for thousands of years. It feels really easy to be passionate about my craft. I feel so connected in terms of the land and the seasons and growing the material, but also it makes me feel really connected to all the makers who've gone before me. I feel like I'm standing in this long line of makers with skills passed from one to the other, and that feels like a huge privilege.